In this video, I will share with you important tips to help you prepare for campus life academically, financially, socially, and even emotionally. Now, by the end of the video, you'll feel more confident and ready to begin this exciting journey. KUCCPS usually releases the placement results early enough to give students enough time to prepare for university admission. Now, where reporting dates may vary from one university to another, most universities in Kenya admit the first-year students around September. That means once you know where you have been placed, it is time to start preparing for your new journey. Get familiar with the institution and course, because the first step is first of all to get familiar with the university and the course where you have been placed. You may have done some basic research maybe during the application, but now your placement is confirmed. So it is time to dig deeper and find out what is the course that you have been placed in, what it involves, maybe the subject that you'll be studying, what skills you'll be developing, what career paths it can lead to. Now this will help you to start university with the right mindset and also expectations. Also take time to learn about the university itself, like the exact location, the surrounding areas, and what facilities are available in that institution. If possible, I highly recommend that you visit the campus before even the admission date. A physical visit can help you understand things like hostel options, where the key buildings are, how admission process works, and what items you might need to carry during the reporting day. Being informed will make the transition much smoother and also less stressful for you. Step 2 is financial preparation. This is one of the most important parts of preparing for your campus admission. When joining university, you'll need to budget for several key things. First, there is tuition fees, which vary depending on your course and whether you are in a public or a private university. If you are placed through KUCCPS, your fees will generally be more affordable, but they still need to be paid on time. Next, think about accommodation. Will you be staying in the university hostels or renting off campus? I noticed that school hostels fees are usually cheaper, but space is limited. It will be best if you can get a place in the school hostels in your first year, then you can move to renting from the second year. Now, if you are renting, you also need to budget for things like water, electricity, and maybe even Wi-Fi. Don't forget meals and daily expenses. Even if you cook for yourself, food costs add up. There needs to be transport expenses also, especially if you are living far from campus or you need to commute regularly. And of course, you need money for personal items, for school supplies, for printing assignments, and sometimes even shopping. Some universities also provide pre-reading materials or course outlines before you report. Now, if you get access to that, take your time, go through it. It gives you a head start and it helps you to understand what to expect in your classes. Also, try to sharpen some essential skills before joining university. For example, your computer literacy is very important. I know that most students join computer studies before joining the university, which is highly recommended because in some cases, you need to use computers for assignments and also maybe for research and even some online classes. You need to know some basic computer skills like how to type, how to use Microsoft Word, or how to browse the internet properly. If you haven't learned this already, it is time that you learn. Now, other helpful skills include communication, like writing good emails and even speaking clearly during group discussions or presentations. Time management and self-discipline are also very important because no one will follow you around. You'll be responsible for managing your own time. University is different from high school. It gives you more freedom, but it also demands more responsibility. So prepare your mind to learn in a more independent way. Also, I strongly encourage you to start saving early. Even small savings can go a long way now once you are in campus. They can help you to cover some costs like pens, books, or even starting a small side hustle. You need to check out our channel for side hustle ideas or maybe just businesses that you can start as a campus student. The next preparation is to be mentally and emotionally prepared. This is something that most people end up ignoring, but please do not ignore your mental and emotional preparation. University is a big change. For many students, it is the first time you are living away from home. That means more freedom, yes, but also more responsibility required from you. You need to manage your time, take care of yourself, make decisions without someone constantly guiding you. You might also experience culture shock, especially if your university is in a totally different part of the country. You meet people from different counties, regions, people with different lifestyles, and that's okay, but be open-minded and be respectful and give yourself time to adjust. Some students also go through homesickness or loneliness, especially in the first few weeks. That is also completely normal. Now stay connected with your family, find positive company, and remember you are not alone. Many others are probably feeling the same way. So emotionally, it is important to be resilient, and to be resilient means being able to recover quickly from difficult situations or challenges. In simple terms, if you are resilient, you don't give up easily. Even when things go wrong, you bounce back, you stay strong, and you keep going. University life has ups and downs. Maybe you fail a test, or you feel peer pressure, or struggle to balance everything, but what matters is how you bounce back. Don't be too hard on yourself. Taking care of your mental health will help you succeed, not just in one class, but also in life as well. Moving on, now let's talk about what to pack as you get ready to join university. First and most importantly, you need your official documents. This includes your admission letter, your KCSE certificate or results slip, your national ID or birth certificate, passport size photos, medical form, and also any fee payment receipts that you have made. Keep them in a safe place. You might need them during registration. Next, let's talk about clothing and bedding. Now you need to pack enough clothes for your daily wear, your church or your formal events, and your cold or rainy weather seasons. Now don't forget basic items like towels, slippers, buckets, light jackets or sweaters. Now for beddings, you need to carry a mattress if it is not provided. Again, that depends on whether you'll be staying and what is provided in that hostel. Sometimes you have a bed but no mattress. Sometimes you have both or none at all. So find out what you need based on the place you are planning to rent. Also carry along your bed sheets, a blanket, a pillow, if you like a mosquito net, depending on the university location. Next, don't forget your personal care items like soap, toothbrush and toothpaste, basin, laundry detergent, sanitary items, tissue, lotion, etc. Now, these are small items that are often forgotten, but they are very necessary. You'll also need academic supplies. That includes your pens, notebooks, a backpack, and if possible, a laptop. Many assignments are typed and submitted online these days. Even if you don't have a laptop, it's okay. You can use cyber cafes or maybe the school computer lab, though having your own is also very helpful. Lastly, think about your safety. Don't carry too much cash or expensive jewelry. Always lock your belongings and never leave important documents lying around. A small lock and a padlock for your locker or a suitcase can come in handy. The key is to pack smart and light. Only bring what you need. You can always buy extra items after settling in, but make sure that as you go in, you have just the necessary items. The next step is social preparation, something that many students overlook. University is a great place to meet new people and also build friendship that can last a lifetime. So go in with an open mind and a friendly attitude. Don't be afraid to talk to people, to introduce yourself, or to ask questions, especially during the orientation week. One great way to connect is by joining clubs, societies, or religious groups, whether it is sports team, debate club, drama, or Christian union. These groups will help you meet people who share your interest, and they also build your confidence and also your leadership skills. Another important thing is networking. The friends and lecturers you meet today could help you tomorrow, whether it's in job opportunities, partnership, or career growth. So be respectful, polite, and always carry yourself with integrity. And remember, you don't have to fit in with everyone. Just find people who align with your values and goals and build meaningful relationships. Now, before we wrap up, let me give you a few final tips to help you make the most out of your university journey. Number 1, put God first. Remember that this far you have come, it is God who has brought you. Put Him first at all times in your life, even in campus. Join CU or a church that teaches the true gospel of the Lord Jesus Christ and use your time there to grow spiritually. Then number 2, stay focused. There will be many distractions in campus life, but always remember the main reason you are there. It is to learn, to grow, and to build your future. Then number 3, use your time wisely. Don't wait for the exam to start studying. Balance your academics, your social life, and your personal responsibilities right from the start. Number 4, ask for help when you need it. Whether it's academic support, financial help, or even mental health, counseling, don't struggle in silence. Many universities offer support services, so take advantage of them. And finally, enjoy the journey. University is not just about books and studying. It is also about discovering who you are, trying new things, and preparing for life after school. So stay positive, stay curious, and make it count. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe in this channel for more tips on education, campus life, and also personal growth. Also share this video with any student who is preparing to join university. Let us help each other succeed. Thank you so much for watching. Stay blessed.